Hello my friends, I hope that you are well. What is this new feature? Almost feature that a lot of persons doesn't know that exists. This is how we embed the font in your PowerPoint. What does it mean? When you create your template and you will use your custom font, when you share this template and when you will sell it this template, you will put online, the users will download your template. Here, when these users open this file, your PowerPoint template, there is a message that it doesn't have your own custom font. So you can add a README file, or in description you added the link of the font that we have used, or you will download it and you put it also in the associated with template. You can do all these steps. This way you can do it, no problem. But you can do it directly. You can embed your font in your template directly. When users open your template, you don't need to take any other actions about the font, your custom font. So it is very useful feature. I use it always. I use this feature. I think always when I make custom font in PowerPoint and not in After Effects or Premiere Pro. No, in PowerPoint. So how to do this? Just go to the file here and go to the option. After this, go to the save. And here we have embed font in the file. The first choice is to embed only the characters used in the presentation, to reduce the file size. Okay, but I'm not using this option. I want to put all the font, so I will choose embed all characters. It is best for editing. Yeah, the size will be big, no problem. But I give all the font in my PowerPoint. So now, when you click to the OK, you will see I have here, if you choose, for example, another font, what is the Google font, for example, what is the Google font? Open Sans. So let's take Open Sans, this one, and now I will do it again. Option, save. Okay, and now save as font embedded one. And now let's take some time. Now it is normal because he saved also the font. As you can see, it's very powerful. Amazing feature. Use it. Try use it. And don't forget to go to the option. I repeat, option, and here we found it. Save. And use all characters. That's what often use. Okay? See you next video, inshallah, to see another feature. Take care of us. I tell you goodbye. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.